guys. Hey, voila. I cannot remember the last time I vlog. Guys, it's been a whole lot. And we just came back from Nigeria last night. It was stressful, first of all. It was very, very stressful. During our time in Nigeria was not stressful. You see, coming back now was very stressful. We had a lot of cancellation of flights. We have a lot of delays. The travel was very long. We took 3 planes to come here. 3. The first one, the second, and the third to come here. Guys, it was a lot. But thank God we all arrived safely and everybody is doing well. Like I said before, we went in for a burial. We did the burial. The burial was successful. We spent a little time, like a week after the burial, and then everybody came back. Yeah, so I just want to tell you guys that I'm back. But I wasn't able to get a lot of vlogs in Nigeria because I did not go out. I was not ready. I was not feeling very, very strong for some reason. So going out wasn't my thing. The sun was too much for me. It was too hot. I just want to stay indoors, stay under the AC for the whole day. I don't want to go outside. I can only go outside late, maybe in the evenings. Maybe the little vlog you guys see will be in the evenings because then the weather is cooler and I'm a bit okay to go outside. So that's why I did not really get any vlogs from Nigeria. I'm just back now to continue my regular vlogs. Whenever I can post, I'll post. If I cannot, all glory to God. So I want to show you guys the stuff that I brought from Nigeria. Is it unboxed? No, it's not going to be unboxing because I already opened everything because I needed to do it last night for the food to get here because it was like a 3 days journey to get here. I'm never gonna lie, maybe 2 days. Yeah, let me not stretch it that it was like a bit 2 days because we even had to stay over in an hotel overnight to come. Story for another day. If you want me to tell you the story, put it down in the comment section, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna start with the little ones that I have here, and like the egusi, the ogbono, I already put them in the fridge. I don't want them to have smell. I have my fish here. I have a couple of stuff here. So let me just start and do this quickly before Madam wakes up. I did this hair in Nigeria. Very affordable. Very, very, very. So I'm gonna start with crayfish. I bought this one. This is big prawn or shrimp, a dried one or a roasted one, whatever it's called. Yeah, this is one. I didn't get a lot of stuff because I have some stuff before. So if I have this in the fridge and it's over a year, I really do not fancy it anymore because I feel like it has lost the taste, everything. But that's why I got a little bit of stuff. I don't want to do too much because my dad goes to Nigeria literally every year. So if I need anything, definitely gonna get it for me. So I got this one. This is the big prawn or big shrimp. It's dry. Yeah. These are pepper soup spices. I have all my pepper soup spices here. I have few and I'm just gonna add this to it. I have this one. Just gonna quickly show you guys. Here I have in my banga spices for banga soup. I love banga soup. Sometimes it's very hard to get banga spices. You can get pepper soup spices here, but for banga it's very hard. So I bought this one. This is potash and this is alum. I don't know what this is called in English, but we'll call it alum. To wash snail, it takes out a lot of slimy things from stuff. So I bought this one, and then this is potash for my food. This is crayfish. I'm just gonna separate them. This is crayfish. This is also shrimp, but the small shrimp is dried and then they blended it to a powder form, because you cannot really bring on a non-blended item to New York. If they see it, they'll throw it out. So I blended this, and this is shrimp, but the small ones. It's very good with whenever you're cooking your food. I got kuli kuli. It's called kuli kuli. I got a lot, but this is what it is. I gave them out already to the people that I bought it for. So the one I have it left is for me. So let me just try. This is kuli kuli. It's dry peanuts. Very nice. You can use it with bread. Yeah, chew it with bread because it's peanuts. You can soak it with gari. You can just eat it like that. It's very hard and tasty. And it's a bit spicy. Just a little bit spicy. So good. So good. So yeah. I bought pepper. This is grounded cayenne pepper. Very, very spicy, very hot. Yeah. And the thing is that I did not go to the market myself. Sarah actually went for me. When she went to get her stuff, she got mine. So we literally got the same thing. Yeah, I didn't go. She had to help me do it. I got dry fish, a lot, different kind of dry fish. I don't know the names. I have this one. I don't know what fish is this. This bag is quite big, so it's a lot. See? I'm gonna just like spread it out and with my Ziploc and just put them in the freezer. So this one, I have this one. I have this one. I have this one, right? Yeah. I think that's it. That's the 3 type of fish that she got for me. Yeah, she got 3 type. Let me see this one. I don't know this one. If this one is this, yeah, this is the same as this one. I think this is like the small catfish. Yeah. So I don't know what the names are, but these were the fish, and it's a lot. I'm gonna use it for pepper soup, egusi soup, ogbono soup. Yeah. Yes. I got a lot of seasonings, a lot, different kind, for jollof rice, for fried. No, I don't do fried rice. I don't buy ingredients for fried rice. My fried rice is naturally, it's just sweet with mangi, with my seasoning and curry. I'm good with my fried rice. I don't get fried rice stuff. But for jollof rice, yeah, you have a lot of stuff here. This is for jollof rice. This is just a asun. Yeah, for asun. I don't know. This is also for jollof rice, ginger, onions, and garlic. This is for jollof rice also. Curry. For like seasonings, chicken seasonings and stuff. Spicy chicken, spicy city. Spice city. And yeah, that's a lot. This is for chicken also. She got quite a lot for me, and I'm very grateful. She got the same thing for herself. Yeah, and I'm very grateful. I think she forgot to get me Benny. I still have the same seasoning here, you know, same thing. I think she forgot to get me Benny, so I called my mom. My mom and dad, they are still in Nigeria, coming soon, so they're gonna get me Benny. Yeah, Benny is another nice seasoning that you can use for any kind of food, and it tastes so good. And I want to open this one, same thing, because I'm just gonna save them like this. They got me more seasoning, chicken cubes, and then more jollof rice stuff. Told you I got egusi and obolo. So on in the freezer. I don't want to bring it out. Yeah, I don't want to stress myself. I got this one. I got this from my sister-in-law in Lagos. I got this is peanuts. I love peanuts a lot, and my husband likes it, so I got this peanuts. And I also got this coated peanuts. My husband likes it too, and my brother girlfriend personally requested for this, so I'm gonna literally just give her half of it. So I decided to show you guys the egusi and obolo. So this is my egusi. I have something like this before, so I'm just gonna add this to it. And then this is my obolo. I have something like this before, I'm just gonna add this to it. But this will be like, not like, I'm not putting them together, so I just know that I have this and I have the old one. But this one will be eaten later, and we'll still be eating the old one. I got some yaji, which is suya spice for beef, for chicken, and for goat meat. Yeah, it will give you that suya. If you want to make suya like the homemade suya, you use this one. This is the pepper for it. And I got two of the, I got a lot, and I gave it out to people that I want to share it with. Yeah, I got a lot. So I got kilichi. I got a lot. I already gave it out. This is what is remaining, but I'm just gonna bring one out. So I'm gonna open it for you guys to see. It's kilichi. It's very spicy, very spicy. It's beef made like in a suya form, but it's very spicy. I don't even know how to explain this, but let me open it for you guys. It's like this. It always comes like this. It's wrapped like this. I bought a lot, and I've given it out. I gave it to the people that I want to give it to. This is coming out so hard. So this is how it is. It's kilichi. Don't mind this whole paper. When you start taking them out, if you want to eat it, it comes off. You can see. I'm just gonna take a bite. It smells so good, tastes so good, but very spicy. If you don't eat spicy food, you cannot eat this. And I selected the people that I gave it to, people I know that eat spicy food. Those are the people I gave it to, so that they can be able to eat it. I don't want to give it to people that don't eat spicy food and then get rid of it later. I don't want that. I'm just gonna bite it and throw. It's meat made with a lot of spices, a lot of pepper. This is so good. This one is so good. Oh, wow. I need to take them off from the paper and then save them in the freezer. Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God. This is good. This is not that spicy. I'm going to save them in the paper. Let me show you. This is the one that is left. I think I got 3 of these bags like this. This is the one that is left. This is specially for me because now I go Nigeria. This is for my husband. This is lamb kilishi, and this one is chicken. This spices is yaji too, but it's for chicken. I'm not gonna open it because now you keep up for day. You know I still keep it in. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna show you guys because that's not my property. I got this drink. It's La Casera. I got this one. I already gave it. I think it's the only one left. I give it to the people that want to give it to. I bought this Nutri-Milk. This is mine. I already gave it out to the people that I want to give it to. This one. That's the only one left. Let me go grab other stuff. Give me a second. I bought gala. I bought 2. I already gave one to the people that I want to give it to. This is gala, a snack. It's very nice. You can eat it with soda, with tea, coffee, anything. Nice. Right. My husband opened it this morning. I'm gonna eat from it. I don't put this in the freezer. The last but not the least, I got this cream cracker. This is the only one left. I already gave it to the people that I want to give it to. Yeah, this is for me and Aliana. So that's it, guys. I got some prints from Nigerian prints. Let me show you. I got this one. I got quite a lot, maybe like 6 or 7 of this. I got this. I got this one. And many others. Okay. That's it. It's very good. You see my skin? I got darker. I'm gonna go sleep now. So thank you guys for watching. I'm officially back from Nigeria. All I need to do is just to put the stuff away and go relax. I was unable to upload videos. You can see for weeks I did not upload videos because my service was very bad. It was bad. Even to call, I couldn't text, nothing. Even there was nothing. It wasn't working for me at all. I don't know why, but it wasn't working. So I just got fed up and I said, you know what? I'm good, because there's no point of struggling to do videos and I can't even upload them. So that was another reason I didn't make a lot of videos. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'm officially back from Nigeria. Yes, officially back from Nigeria. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. For now, bye guys.